Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense. Today we're looking at ticker symbol FIZZ. This is National Beverage Corp. I remember back in the day, I liked the stock a lot, and it looks like it hasn't really. I remember it was around 40 bucks, and it's still around 40 bucks. So we're gonna look at potential price targets for earnings, and also see what institutions and hedge funds are doing, all that fun stuff. So obviously, this looks like we got our work cut out for us. We've got great support here. So if earnings are not good, the price target to the downside is around 38.98. If earnings are good, I think we have a price target well, we can go a little lower. I'd say right about there. $54.54. Again, this thing's been trading sideways for 8 years, almost 7 years. The stock is the exact same price as it was back in August of 2017, which is insane. Um, yeah, I mean it's trapped. It's trapped. And the volume down here is just boring. When look at the volume here, it was just like incredible. And then it picked back up and now it's just dwindling. So let's go ahead and take a peek. RSI is at 49. That's pretty neutral. If you ask me, it's not really with the Bears or the Bulls. Now the momentum. The momentum has been in a long-term downtrend for basically, gosh, I mean, 3.5 years. Money flow is at the 50 mark. I mean, pretty neutral, and our relative momentum is at 54. This is a very neutral stock. I would not be surprised if they offer a dividend. It looks like it's going to trade sideways into perpetuity because everything is just flat right in the middle, honestly. Um, so that's kind of interesting. Um, yeah, I don't know what to say. Let's, they don't offer a dividend. Sales, okay, this is what we like to see. This is beautiful, but look at our figures here. 2019, they were making 1 billion 10,000. Fast forward 4 years, they're making 1,170,000,000. I'm sorry. This is 1,010,000,000. This is 1,170,000,000. So not the worst, but it's up and to the right, so that's good. EPS is basically flat. 2019 $1.50, 2023 $1.52. You know, um, and then shares outstanding flat. Again, this is the flattest stock I've seen in a long time. We're gonna run my calculation and see if we're looking at a needle in a haystack or a dud. So they have a market cap of 4,360,000,000. Good. They are profitable. They have 169,310,000 in income, and they do 1,180,000,000 in sales, trailing 12 months. Now we're gonna go and look at the cash and the debt. Let's see if we have any red flags. Quick ratio is a 3, meaning they have some nice cash. Debt very low. Yep, EPS 5 years down. Sales past 5 years only 3.7%. Gross margins, very high margins. That's really good. Every $100 they spend, they get about $136.68 back. They're profitable. Insiders have been adding very low float. Finviz does not recommend this stock. That's crazy. Price target is $47, which is again inside of our channel of perpetuity, sideways. Okay, we're going to continue on with my calculations. Sorry for the delay. We're going to go quarterly on the balance sheet. 276 million in cash. That's the most cash they've ever had on hand. Good for them. They should probably buy out Zevia. That'd be a good play. Okay, so plus 276,960,000. Yes. All right. Total debt. Not that much. Yeah, 400 or 44 million. So minus 44,570,000. Okay. Total assets 719 million. Total liabilities 209 million. Assets dwarf liabilities over 3 to 1 here. So every liability they have 3 assets. That's healthy. That's great. Good for them. Cecil Conley sold 12,000, got 24,000 options. And then you got this down here again. It's about, she sold 12 here, 12 here, 24,000. That makes sense. No red flags, basically what I'm getting at there. Going back up here and taking this divided by 21,620,000. $274 stock price. I don't know if I believe that. That just goes to show there's a lot of upside unless I missed a zero. My calculations have been really weird. 44,570,000 divided by 21,620,000. Yeah. I don't regret that. Okay. And then we're gonna go to Fint. I should have done this a minute ago. Fizz. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we have institutional data showing, and it shows institutions own 24%. Based on my calculation, I think they own probably more, unless I'm missing zero somewhere. $27 would be probably too low. Yeah, I think 27 might be too low. Anyway, old data shows that they own 24%. New data shows that they own, drum roll please, 25%. That's a percentage more. Yeah, I don't see anything compelling. Nothing is really compelling here. Is there no big owners? This table needs to load here ASAP. Is there no big institutional owners on this one? Is this serious? This page is taking a long time to load. Wow, no big owners. That's pretty insane. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick search. I want to search for Caporella. We're gonna look for Caporella here. No. 2Ps? No. Yeah, no. Not seeing the insider's ownership either. So very interesting. I don't see anything compelling with the stock. My calculation is showing that there's a lot of upside here. However, looking at the PE, it's kind of expensive. Forward PE is slightly less expensive. We like to see that closer to 15. I just don't see anything that would warrant me taking a position at this time. So yep, our upside again 55, 54, 54, and our downside's 38, 38, 98. If you've made this far, consider subscribing. Let me know your thoughts. If you're in this, good luck. Have a great one.